Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix seams in Bambu Studio. Now I'm going to use this dragon model as an example, and basically let's say that we are printing a character or a face, and basically this seam is on the middle of the face right here, which is not ideal for, or if you are printing a model or character. Basically you can just click on the slice plate option, and from here you want to make sure that the seams is checked. Now we can see the seams going around the top of the head, on the tail section, and on the wing section. Now if you want to fix this manually, you can then navigate back to the prepare button. From here you want to click on your model and click on the seam painting. Now you can then adjust the seams the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to put my seam on the middle or at the back of the head right here. I'm going to do the same thing going along with the tail and at the tip of the model. So from there, you can just click on the slice plate option, and basically we will apply the seams on our 3D model. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.